Medical is a field of study that you need to be able to critically think on your feet.
What makes it so great and unique is that we're really hands-on.
Our students get to work here in our lab with all of the equipment.
So learning hands-on kind of gets you into that zone where what you're going to do in your actual workplace.
For me personally, I do learn better hands-on.
Can you even feel where the vein is at?
Yeah, the vein's like right there.
They're going to draw blood on someone and someone's going to draw blood on them. They're going to do injections on someone's going to do injections on them.
Do we need to pull out? Okay, pull out.
It doesn't afford you the opportunity to go home and to think about it.
The muscle memory of going through the motions helps you know what you're going to be doing when you get out into the field.
But if you don't know where it's at, call the draw because it's just so painful.
When they go to a patient, they are so much more comfortable.
Part of what I teach here is how to be resilient, how to have a positive attitude, maintain good health and a good mental health.
I tell the students that we're here to help. It's not our crisis. Somebody's having a crisis, but we're here to do what we can to help. And we don't need to take that and make it our crisis. And if you learn how to do that, you'll have longevity.
Practical nursing program from start to finish is anywhere from 10 to 11 months.
The EMT's about 185 hours.
We're in the classroom for 5 months and then 200 hours.
They're going to be learning how to give intramuscular injections.
Assessment is big.
They can take insurance, they can verify insurance,
injections,
oxygen,
fluids, and
point of care
starting
testing.
bleeding
They
control.
also can do
They're going to be learning
EKGs.
about placing nasogastric
They can
tubes,
schedule the patient,
Advanced airway.
chest tubes,
injections,
tracheotomies.
pharmacology.
We have 38 pharmacies that we have affiliation agreements with. It's kind of like a working interview. A lot of our students get hired in that process.
You finish with a certificate which makes you eligible to sit for your national boards.
It really just gives them an opportunity to see, before I invest in $100,000 for a school or more, do I actually like the medical field and what do I like about it?
Knowing that you can step into a situation and completely change the outcome from what it would have been into something positive makes for a great experience, a great day.
This was like a really big stepping stone for me to realize that's what I wanted to do.
The jobs are out there, but you have to put the time in.
We have pharmacies every week that are calling us saying that they need pharmacy technicians.
The demand is just so high for medical assisting, they can't fill the demand.
Most of the schools really like our graduates because they come out so well prepared.
We have students in pharmacy school. We have students that are becoming doctors. We have students that are working in the pharmacies and they're the lead technicians.
We have graduates working in almost every single floor in the hospitals. Sky's the limit.